Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up for the week ended October 11th. Indian equity markets witnessed volatility but ended the week lower by 0.2%. The BSE Mid-Cap Index rose 1.1% this week and BSE Small-Cap Index rose by 1.2%. Among sectoral gainers, Nifty Pharma and Nifty Auto were the top gainers and were up around 2% this week. Among sectoral losers, Nifty FMCG was down 2.2% while Nifty Metal Index declined 1.8%. Among weekly Nifty 50 gainers, trend shares were up about 12% this week. Shares of Kotak Mahindra Bank and M&M rose by around 4%. Among Nifty 50 top losers, Nestle shares declined 6.1% during the week. Shares of Titan Company saw a decline of 5.5%. In select market movers, shares of Hitachi Energy India Ltd surged almost 14% after the company said it will invest 2,000 crore rupees over the next 4 to 5 years. Shares of Bharat Dynamics rallied almost 10% after the government cleared to defense deals. Shares of Trent rallied almost 12% after launching its lab-grown diamond brand. Among losers, shares of real estate major Sobha Ltd fell 5% during the week after the company reported its business update for the September quarter. FIs net sold equities throughout the week with net sales of Rs 27,675 crores of equities in cash. Month till date, FIs have sold almost Rs 58,000 crores and we are still only on the 12th day of the month. DIIs net bought equities throughout the week. DIIs have net bought almost Rs 58,000 crores of equities month till date. This net purchases in the first 11 days have surpassed even the best ever monthly purchase record of about Rs 56,000 crores set in March this year. One IPO closed during the week. Garuda Construction saw an oversubscription of 7.55 times. There were no new listings for this week. Hyundai India IPO will open next week and will be the largest ever IPO in India with a size of Rs 28,000 crores. In key macroeconomic news, the US CPI fell to the lowest level since February 2021 but was still higher than expectations. The core CPI too was higher than expectations. German industrial production increased by 2.9% month-on-month in August 24 was above economists' expectations of a 0.8% month-on-month increase. Eurozone retail sales increased by 0.2% month-on-month in August 24 and was in line with estimates. US non-farm payroll rose by a higher than expected 254,000 in September 24 attributed partly to a strike in Boeing and the impact of Hurricane Milton. Moving to the US equity markets, the S&P 500 closed at a new record high and is up 4.7% in the last 30 days. Moving to bond markets, India's 10-year bond yields fell by 6 basis points this week after spiking last week on fears of an escalation in the Middle East conflict. US bond yields moved higher by 9 basis points after economic data in the US was higher than expected. In this section we discuss select research reports published by our research teams. The same can be accessed on our website. Vinthi Organics is expanding its business through new projects worth 8 billion rupees targeting 19% revenue and EBITDA growth over the next 3 years. The stock price is trading at 50 times FY25 earnings which is contextually high. Therefore, we maintain a sell rating with a target price of Rs 1,491 per share. Amber Enterprises is expanding its business beyond room ACS into components and other products to evolve into a comprehensive diversified B2B player. We increase our earnings estimates by 3 to 6% and maintain a buy rating with a target price of Rs 5,600 per share. TCS posted a mixed quarter but we expect growth visibility to be aided by BFSI acceleration, strong deal pipeline and pent-up spending on tech modernization. We retain an ad rating with a target price of Rs 4,650 per share. Our retail research team has published a note on Indraprasth Gas with a base case fair value of Rs 605 per share. IGL is a leading city gas distribution player in India with strong financials and growth prospects. The company's expansion into new areas and continued focus on infrastructure development will further enhance its market position and drive long-term value creation for shareholders. That is all for this week. Do refer to the detailed disclaimer on your screens. The securities discussed in the presentation were for information and educational purposes only. Thank you.